Baryomunsi na jangu hariho entebeekanisa government etiireho okwata abona abarikukoresa kubi emikutu ya kanyabwengye omu byanga bitari bimwe na bimwe.
Reka tukozese okuhandika n'okuganira hari za social media tubikozese kurungi okwombeka eihanga ryaitu tutabikozesa okujumana okuhandika ebintu bigwire.
Okurugira hari Dr. Baryomunsi government eri enteekateeka y'okwegyesa abatuura okukoresa kurungi emikutu y'eby'empuruzagana.
We are instituting all those technologies that help us fight that cyber insecurity and cyber crimes, but also we shall be investing in educating the public to know some of the basics.
George William Nyombi Thembo orukwebembera ekitongole kya Uganda Communications Commission ninga UCC arabwira abantu bono kwerinda bafire abaruko babihabiha barakurabira emikutu y'empuruzagana.
Never believe anything on social media before verifying it. There's another rule. Then you'll avoid misinformation. You'll avoid looking bad. Anything you saw on social media, verify it. Get it verified before you become part of the misinformation crusade.
The issue of buffering. We have a lot of people who go around posing as service providers and offering fake packages.
We're actually getting so many concerns from our customers based on the fact that we have so many people calling them and claiming that they won something and they have won certain gifts.
Gashoka Job na Kabale.